In today's video, I'll show you how you can stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve and I have my sample footage right here, and when I play it, you'd be able to see that there's some shake right here, like it's handheld right there, so I would want to remove that. To do that, I just simply need to select my clip, go into Inspector tab right here in the top right, and then now you want to go here into Stabilization, and basically you can just click here on Stabilize, and then you can also adjust, by the way, the settings right here before you click on Stabilize, like how smooth you'd want it to be. And then the price of getting this video stabilized is that you would lose some of the frame size because it will be zoomed in to stabilize the video. You can go for the cropping ratio and strength right here depending on your preference. And then now I can click here and stabilize once I'm satisfied with the settings. And now it's now processing the stabilization. So we just need to wait for that. The processing time would depend on the length of your clip. And now it's done. And when I play it right here, as you can see, it is now much more stabilized right here. And if you are not satisfied, you could always increase the smoothness, the strength, and the cropping ratio, or even better, you can click here on camera lock, and this will remove the camera movements from the footage. So you'd be able to see a large difference right here. So when I play it, as you can see, there is no camera movement anymore. We just have a stable footage right here. So yeah, this is the way if you would want to remove all camera movements. So yeah, those are the easiest way on how you'd be able to do this in DaVinci Resolve for free. If you would want more advanced tools, then I suggest getting a third-party application or plugin right here in DaVinci Resolve so that you'd be able to make a higher quality result. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.